Understanding Over Easy Eggs, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a popular culinary term in English, over easy eggs. This phrase is not only common in cooking but also a great example of how English can be fun and a bit quirky. Let's crack into the meaning together. Over easy eggs refers to a way of frying eggs. In this method, the egg is fried on one side, then flipped over and fried very lightly on the other side. The yolk remains runny. It's a popular breakfast choice in many English-speaking countries. This term is part of a larger family of egg cooking styles, each with its unique name. Over, in this context, means to flip the egg over in the pan. Easy refers to the doneness of the egg, specifically the yolk. In over easy, the egg is cooked just enough to firm up the whites while leaving the yolk runny. Over easy eggs is more than just a cooking term. It's a part of the culinary culture in countries like the USA and Canada. You'll often hear this term in diners and breakfast spots. It's also a phrase you might encounter in movies, TV shows, or books that depict everyday life in these countries. Over medium, the egg is flipped and the yolk is only slightly runny. Over hard, the egg is flipped and the yolk is cooked completely. Sunny side up, the egg is not flipped and the yolk remains completely runny. We hope you've enjoyed this tasty dive into the English language. Over easy eggs is a great example of how everyday phrases can enrich your understanding of English and its cultural nuances. Keep exploring, and remember, learning English is not only about grammar and vocabulary but also about embracing the culture and lifestyle. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.